Everhot 280-litre heat pump is a new generation high-efficiency water heater with an environmentally friendly ultra-low GWP refrigerant. Designed and made in Australia to provide continuous renewable hot water for medium to large families, it's an ideal replacement for a similar-sized electric water heater and is well suited for areas where a solar water heater with rooftop collectors may not be suitable. Unlike traditional water heaters, it uses a highly efficient integrated heat pump along with advanced wraparound microchannel heat exchanger technology to provide efficient and sustainable hot water. This new generation heat pump uses a highly efficient R290 refrigerant with an ultra-low GWP of less than 3 for reduced impact on global warming. Historically, heat pump water heaters have utilised several high GWP refrigerants, each capable of significantly impacting the environment. The lower the GWP of a refrigerant used in a heat pump, the more environmentally friendly it is. The Everhot 280-litre heat pump boasts a high COP rating of 4.9. So for every kilowatt of energy required to power the heat pump, up to 4.9 kilowatts of energy is available to heat the water, resulting in significantly lower hot water energy consumption when compared to traditional electric water heaters. With its integrated heat pump and large storage tank, it has enough hot water heating capacity for up to 6 people. A high recovery rate means reliable hot water when needed, and a 2.4 kilowatt electric boost element ensures hot water even if the ambient temperature drops below -6, or when the temperature in the storage cylinder falls below 5 degrees, or in the event of a fault with the heat pump. Installing an Everhot 280-litre heat pump could save you up to 73% on your water heating energy consumption in Zone 3, compared to a similar-sized electric water heater. It's eligible for federal government incentives in the form of STCs and may even be eligible for additional incentives in your state. It has a wide operating range from -6 degrees up to 43 degrees, making it suitable for installation in all regions, and it has a built-in frost protection system to keep the water heater running even in frosty conditions. The LED touchscreen control panel provides user-friendly operation and includes a timer function to optimize time of day usage. The storage cylinder is lined with a tough vitreous enamel coating, and with the optional blue anode makes it suitable for most harsh water conditions. Built to withstand Australia's harsh weather conditions, it's a great replacement for a similar-sized electric water heater. Designed and made right here in Australia, Everhot 280-litre heat pump comes with a 7-year cylinder warranty. To learn more about reducing your hot water energy consumption with the Everhot 280-litre heat pump, visit the Reece website.